Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chile rellenos, and they're so easy, and everybody's going to be asking you where you learn how to make these because they look so professional. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Hoy vamos a hacer unos chiles rellenos. Nadie va a saber dónde aprendiste esta receta de estos chiles tan perfectos y deliciosos. Now, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below because I have a bunch of weekly quick and easy recipes. So let's get started. Alright everyone, so here I have 6 chile poblanos and I have them on an open flame, and what I'm doing is I'm charring them so I'll be able to scrape off the skin. Now, if you don't have a gas burner, you can simply put these on a baking tray and put them in the oven on broil, and be sure to keep an eye on them because the skin will char very fast. After they're nice and charred on that low heat, turn off the flame and place them in the little plastic bag that you got them in from the produce, and the chiles are going to steam a little so all that skin is just going to be able to peel right off. After about 10 minutes, they'll be ready, so I'm using a serrated knife and I'm going to scrape off most of the skin, and be sure to cut off the top stem of the chile to make sure that it will be nice and mild. I'm sticking about 2 cut up pieces of Monterey Jack cheese, and for the last part, we're going to sprinkle the chiles lightly with flour to help the egg batter that we're about to make stick to them when we dip them in. Now for the egg batter, it's very simple, but it can be a bit finicky. So I'm starting off here with 8 egg whites, and I'm saving the yolks just to add at the last moment. Now whip your egg whites on high until they triple in volume and become very firm. Once they become firm, quickly add your egg yolks and turn it off immediately. Now this is a super important tip. If you're making a big batch of chile rellenos, do small batches of the egg batter as you go. Don't whip up a whole dozen eggs all at once. Now that it's ready, this is what it looks like. It's nice and pale yellow. I have my oil warming up in the pan over medium heat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swoop my chile right inside and cover half of it with the egg batter and put it right into this hot oiled pan. Now be sure not to use too much oil. You don't need to be deep frying these because this is really important. You're going to have much more better control. These cook extremely fast, so work with them one at a time. If you need to, add a little drizzle more of oil and just kind of move the chile back and forth in the pan, tilt it if you need to fry up that delicious whipped egg until it's golden brown. Now I'm going to be starting off my simple salsa to top these chilies off with. This is simply just tomatoes, a half an onion, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 jalapeno pepper with the seeds removed. I'm covering this with water, and I'm going to let this boil for about 10 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Once this is ready, I'm going to drain out all the water and blend it with 2 teaspoons of salt, a dash or 2 of oregano, and pepper, and your salsa is going to be ready. As you can see, I removed the seeds from the jalapeno. I always take the seeds out of my chiles because I really just don't like too spicy. So leave the seeds in if you want your salsa hot. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Your chile rellenos are ready. These are just so heavenly delicious. There's just something about that first bite when you cut into your chile and all that cheese is just oozing out. It's just gonna blow your taste buds away. Don't forget that all my ingredients to all my recipes are always listed down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below your thoughts, and once again, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel so you won't miss out on my weekly quick and easy recipes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.